Hey, hi everyone. I'm back with another review from my collection. As we know from last few years, oud-based fragrance have gained so much of popularity across globe, and they would like to try different fragrance of oud-based fragrance. And when it comes to oud, as we know, Middle East brands dominate this segment of perfume lineups. So I have picked up a perfume which is one of the best long-lasting with excellent longevity. So let's start with the presentation part. So this is Oud of Glory from the House of Latafa, and this one is very popular Middle Eastern brand perfume. This one has gained popularity since this one known to have the DNA of Oud of Greatness by Initio Parfum. So let's talk about the bottle presentation. As we can see, this bottle comes in black color and this bottle is very heavy. The bottle is adorned with detailed Arab design, enhancing Middle East allure. And talking about the cap, so cap seems to be heavy and robust. So I would rate it 8 out of 10 for the aesthetic appeal design, and this one comes in 100 ml EDP concentration. Let's talk about the notes, guys. Let's spray this first and check the notes. Oh my god, this smells different and amazing too. So, in the top notes, you can smell saffron, nutmeg, and lavender. In the middle notes, you can smell agarwood, which is Middle Eastern oud and patchouli. And in the dry down, after few hours later, you can smell musk, but agarwood remains dominant in this perfume. So the scent profile suggests deep woody, a little sweet aromatic characteristics of oud, and when saffron mixes with oud, it gives you Middle Eastern oud vibe. And some people might get this as a spiritual oud vibe, as when the oud raw bun that gives you the same essence. So I would rate it 6.5 out of 10 as the scent profile not being my personal favorite. And now coming to the most important part, which is its performance. So no doubt this one is the longest performing perfume from my collection, and on an average this one lasts for up to 7 to 8 hours. This one has an excellent sillage, and I would say it stays on clothes for about 3 to 4 days, and this one won't go off until your clothes are washed. So I would not recommend the overspraying of this perfume, as sometimes you might not get the projection immediately. But trust me, guys, this is gonna travel ahead of you before you arrive, and this is going to be noticed by others. So I would rate it solid 9 out of 10 for the projection. So now the important question is when you can wear this. So I would highly recommend this perfume for winters, but yes, you can definitely wear this in spring, especially for evenings and intimate outings and night outs. And this profile suits for your formal gathering weddings. But yes, I would not recommend this perfume for summer because this strong oud fragrance profile might mess up with the sweat. So I would not recommend that. And this perfume has a mature and sophisticated scent profile which is well suited for the age group of 25 and above. I would like to add one more point here is please do not go for a blind buy, especially when you're seeking for a versatile everyday scent. So you can get this bottle from Amazon and Flipkart, and this will cost you around 1800 to 1900 rupees in India. And as I said earlier in my video that this perfume is very similar to Oud of Greatness. So if you really like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.